the civilized world required a green light, a request and an agreement from the United Nations Security Council.
But they knew Serbia's traditional ally Russia would veto any resolution containing a threat of force. When the UN failed to act, Milosevic ordered his forces to crush the Kosovo rebellion. They killed civilians and forced 100,000 ethnic Albanians into the hills. The assaults galvanized the international community and NATO. Eventually, NATO stepped in, taking the first formal step towards military intervention in Kosovo.
We moved B-52s forward from the United States to Britain. We put planes on the runway in Aviano, gassed up and ready to go. We were not bluffing. We were hours away from launch.